Ladies and gentlemen, hello. We're back. I'm not sick anymore,
Happy to be here.
and we're happy to be here. Guys, like in the last video I told you, we're doing some electrical work, and I don't know, what else are we doing?
Well, we're doing electrical and we might rough in some plumbing in here.
We're electricians, we're plumbers, we're all of the
Well,
above.
what they say, jack of all trades,
Master of none. And we're cold as well. So, you know what else they say? The heat is in the tools, so we're gonna get to work, guys.
Lie! It's a lie!
Guys, I'm going to the One Piece Symphony tonight, so pretty excited.
Pretty excited.
So everybody, the deal is
Excuse me.
we have to pull wire from this outlet to the bathroom.
Okay, start pulling gently. Nice, I like it like that. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Tie a knot on the end of her, just curl the end or something.
Do you need two plugs?
Yeah, I'll need one. We're putting them in like this or the other way?
I think we put them in like this.
Can't see it. On the road trying to loosen my load. I got 7 women on my mind.
Oh, yeah.
2 to want to stone me. 1 says she's a friend of mine.
Take it easy.
Pair like channel locks so I can squeeze that.
Here, I brought you 2 tools. One is channel locks, the tool you asked for, and the other one's a pipe wrench because.
Neither one of them is channel locks. These are vice grips.
And this is a pipe wrench.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know, we tried. We have to go downstairs.
Whee!
I need my sweatshirt now.
Heat's in the work, somebody told me.
That dude was an idiot.
That's what the plugs are going to look like. Except upside down.
The old bucketeer, bucket walker, bucket man.
That's an Elton John song, Bucket Man.
It is.
I'm a bucket man!
Love isn't always on time. Oh, didn't see you guys there.
Pull!
Pulling! What are we doing, Kimosabi?
You're gonna pull.
Right now?
Yep.
Ha!
Pull, pull,
I'm pulling.
keep pulling.
I haven't stopped yet.
Okay, that's good.
Like a bejeweled cowboy. Like a Bichon puppy.
All soft and white and cute as it could be.
Hey, who's leaving open razor blades laying around?
What's the problem?
We promote a safe workplace environment here.
Since when?
Since I just said so right now.
You the guy that was just working off a bucket?
You stick something through it?
Oh! I just got shocked.
F it, we do it live.
Don't let your babies grow. Oh! Up to be cowboys. That hurt. I pinched my finger on them pliers. Trying to close them up.
Don't let your babies grow up to be. Ah! You seen anything on that side?
Wood.
What the F? There's a hole right here. Why are we drilling one?
Is it all the way through?
Yeah!
Well, then why are you drilling?
What do you mean? You told me to! Oh, yeah, buddy, we're through.
Hold up! Hey, stop! Hey, kids.
Hey, kids. We live for the claw.
Claw! You wish I was a rich girl.
You're darn right. You are darn right.
You know,
Have you ever seen those videos?
poop
where,
dollar?
Poop dollar! Give me that.
Stick your finger in there, feel it.
It feels good. Ow! No, just kidding.
Exactly.
Is there a difference between a transmitter radio and a transmitter radio?
Yes, yes. This is the original, the way God made it.
Oh,
And the transmitter, they changed it up.
You know Brandon Lake?
I don't know him personally. We need some red wire nuts.
See, guys, I was on it already. That's a good laborer right here.
It is.
Right here. You watch them work, and then when you think that they might need something, you just walk away. And you go and get it.
You should know what I need before I know what I need. He was overthinking.
He was overthinking, and his mama was right. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. That's our day. A lot of electricianing. We're mystery solvers, problem fixers.
We're just like Fred and Shaggy,
We're like
Scooby-Doo and Scrappy-Doo,
Sherlock and Watson.
Watson and Sherlock, Abbott and Costello. You don't know who Abbott and Costello are?
Aren't they magicians?
That's Penn and Teller.
Oh, we're like the Three Stooges. And you're the third stooge. Guys, that's all we got for today. So, we'll see you in the next video. Love you.
Bye.